Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to cover formatting of column charts. We'll be looking at 12 specific formatting elements and how to do that in Microsoft Excel. And this is the data that we will be using for this exercise. It's the department and how many employees were in each department in 2021 and in 2022. Use this data and insert a column chart. This is what it'll appear, and that's what I have here as my starting point. Let's go to the next one, legend. Legend in this case is showing the 2021 versus 2022 comparison. Legend, if for example, if I only had 2021 number of employees, right? Now I have 2 years, but what if I only had one? Then I don't need to legend that says 2021 because that's the only year of data I'm presenting. So in a single series where there is, simplest form, don't think we need to have a legend. We can remove it. In this case, we do, so I'm going to keep it. In terms of legend, you can right click on the legend and then say format legend. You can change the position. So you can do top, it moves the legend to the top right, moves it over there. And, again, it depends on the data, how many items are in the legend. You can play with the positioning, you can move it. You don't see the legend at all to begin with. You can always click on the chart, go to plus, and see if your legend is checked. If not, then put it back on by checking this box. That is how you can add a legend if you don't have one.